What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. Can you guys believe how cute this jumbo peep is? I thought it was so adorable, and I wanted to start my intro like this for you guys because I think it's so cute. As you guys can see, there are lots of peep items for this Easter. Tons and tons of Peeps merchandise, and I think it's all just so cute. This is even a little flashing necklace. I'm not sure if we can turn it on outside of the package. We have Peep chalk. I love these little shakeable Peep stickers. They're so cute. Aw, look at that, you guys. Those are so adorable. Tons and tons of Peep merchandise. Tons of troll merchandise. Tons of Peppa Pig, Frozen. Don't worry, you guys, I'm gonna go back. Mickey and Minnie. Tons of Paw Patrol. These are all fillers for Easter baskets. We even have Batman and Spiderman, you guys. But I had to come back over here and show you some Peeps Keychains. These are also at Target, but $3. They're just $1.98 here. We have blue and yellow and pink. And guess what? We also have purple. And these are just so cute. I think they're just so adorable. Okay, you guys, so let's backtrack just a little bit. We have a lot of activity kits here, a lot of little egg holders or treat holders, temporary tattoos, tons of baskets as well. These are all $16.88. Really different sort of reusable Easter baskets. We have the Mickey and Minnie down here. Those are, I think, $19.22. Look at this. This is a cute mini tin purse. That's $4.98. And we have lots of pretty little Minnie things up here as well. My niece likes Minnie and Mickey. So when I see these items, I think about her. I think these treat containers are awesome because they're really big and they're not extra Eastery to me. Look, you guys, we even have little grabbers for picking up the eggs. That is so cute. Then we have all of our Peppa Pig items. These are also $1.98. We have bubbles and hair chalk for $2.98. Oh, this is so cute for $4.98. Happy Vibes with the nail polish and the file. So cute. And then we have some Shopkins Baskets down here. I know you guys really like it when I talk during these Shop With Me's. However, I always have music blaring, so I'm hoping I don't get a copyright strike. These are $2.98 and they are officially by Peeps. We have them in blue and also in a really pretty pink. I wanted to come down here and give you guys a closer look at some of the items for little boys or little girls that like superheroes. I'm not discriminating. Oh, look at this, you guys. Paw Patrol, so cute. Well, let's walk around and see what else we have, you guys. We also have tons of buckets, big buckets. I'm not really sure how much those are. And then we also have the basket stuffers. These are $4.98. I kind of love this, you guys. It's My Little Pony. Oh, so cute. Look at that. It's for your backpack. I love the wings and I love the little tassels. Power Rangers. Lots and lots of things. Oh, look at the trolls. So cute. Oh, look at him. Oh, Poppy. And lots of non-candy ideas. 32 sticks of chalk in a big box for $2.97. We have bubbles. Oh, look, you guys. We have summertime and spring break things here. Look at these pool toys. These are $3.88. To those of you that live somewhere where it's warm already, I'm a little bit jealous, because here in Minnesota, we won't be using these things anytime soon. Not until like May or June. Lots and lots of things for the pool. This one is so cute. This is a Lollipop Float. Oh, that's so cute. More pool floats. Oh, love that. For $8.88. So cute. Makes me long for summer. This is $9.96. My son would have loved this when he was little. I'm speaking about Bunny. But Bunny's about to turn 14. And Bunny doesn't play with toys anymore, but you guys know how it is. Oh, I need to get my kids some more goggles, you guys. This has been on my list. We have the Dolphino Goggles, a 3-pack. I definitely need a 3-pack. These are the cheapy ones. 97 cents for a 2-pack. Whoa, look at those. A lot of these are $7.97. I might go ahead and just get the 3-pack right now. That way I'll have them for summertime and I won't be looking all around. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get these, you guys. Okay, who wants to see some really cute stuffed animals? Because they have them. This is so adorable, you guys. She's only, how much? $2.98. Aww, they're so fuzzy and cute. Oh, look at that little cute face. I love those. And of course we have bunnies. Really fuzzy bunnies. In purple and pink and blue. I like the blue one a lot. Oh, look, we have more little cute, are these little alpacas? Oh, that is so adorable. Love that in the lavender and also in the blue. More little cute bunnies. Sock monkey bunnies for $2.98. Girls and boys. We have the duckies. What's this? It's like a little giraffe, maybe? I think. Those ones are kind of weird. Whoa. I was like, what is that? Star Wars. Scooby-Doo. Poppy. I don't remember this one's name. Yoda. These are all $19.22. How cute. I wanted to show you how big they are. They are really, really big. They're about 3 feet tall. They are super huge, super, super huge. They come up to my waist. They are extremely, extremely big. And we have the jumbo Easter egg down here as well. These are really cute. Speaking of cute, you guys, we have some really adorable hand sanitizers for $1.98. I really love the bunny. They're so cute. Look at the little narwhal. I love the little narwhal. These are all super cute. Then of course we have a cute variety of books. Aww. I love you, honey bunny. We have a super sticker activity book with baby animals, $5.99. Really cute stickers. Peter Cottontail and the Touch and Feel books. We also have some religious books down on the bottom. A nice selection of those. Oh my gosh, you guys. They even have the Peeps. Welcome, Peeps. We even have the Peeps yard stakes. Oh my gosh, that is super cute. super cute, you guys. I will be coming back here again to show you guys more and more because there's so much to look at. I love showing you guys things in all the different Walmarts around because you come to one and you think you've seen it all, and then you go to another Walmart and you end up seeing so much more. Oh, these are so cute. Aww. $14.84. Look at this bunny. I like the speckled eggs. Really nice. Be still. Be still. Give thanks. These are all metal. Home sweet home. I love this. This is so cute. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. And I have to say, I really love the colors. That is so adorable. This is the tester. I think all of them have the little tester unit. And then we also have the egg. Let's try out the egg. Aw, I love the egg too. So pretty. If you have a pastel theme going on in your beauty room or your craft room, those would be so gorgeous. And then we have some pretty matching colors here that would go really well with that marquee. I love this color this year. Why am I always like right under a speaker, you guys? I can't win. I cannot win when I come to this store. Look at this little cute girl. She's 98 cents. She's adorable. Aww. And there's the little boy. And we have some eggs. Some cute pom-pom decor. Cute little photo props for 98 cents. Uh-oh. What do we have? Well, hey guys, I'm out of time. I just wanted to share these bath bombs with you. That's it for my Easter shop with me, but I will be doing more. So if you guys haven't, hit that little button and subscribe. All right, you guys, we'll see you next time. Bye.